Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's On. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we're going to do a what I eat in a day video. This is a at-home day today. I'm going to just be doing a little bit of prep and things of that nature. So the first meal I'm going to have, I think, is sausage tortillas. So I'm just going to make some breakfast sausage and put it on cassava tortillas and eat that. And I might have some fruit with it, I'm not sure. But I will show you that. I'm going to have some tea. I'm going to take my supplements. And then I'm just going to get on with my day. Okay, everyone, I will show you what I eat, then we'll see you at the next meal. Bye-bye. Okay, everybody, so I'm going to have the sausage wraps. So basically, I just made breakfast sausage patties that I have on this channel. I'll link it below. The tortilla wraps I also have on this channel. And then let me just show you. I had some leftover asparagus mushrooms that I had sauteed with garlic here for side dish a night or two ago. I had some fresh strawberries, and then I've got the sausage wraps. So that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast. There you go. I'll give you a little bite shot of these tortillas, and then I'm just gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna have a big glass of water. I'll probably have some hot tea a little later. It's almost noon now, and I slept a bit just because I'm just coming out of a flare. So I've just been trying to rest as much as possible. So it's a little late in the day. I'm gonna enjoy this, and I'll show you my other meals today. All right, everyone, see you in a bit. Let's go. Okay, hi everybody. I am back with my second meal today. This is a really simple meal because I'm gonna have a sweet treat here when Asher gets home, because I'm testing one for the channel, and I'll show you what that looks like when I get it. But I'm basically having salad and anchovies, which sounds a little bit strange, but I make these, they're like little baby teeny tiny anchovies. If you are familiar with Korean cuisine at all, you would know these little fishes. They truly are anchovies, but they're tiny, they're dried, and I just saute them with a bit of garlic and some coconut aminos to make kind of like a little side dish, but they're super nutrient packed. They've got a lot of really good oils and other nutrients in them. So I'm having that, and I'm having just a big green salad with this Italian dressing that I make. It's on this channel, and I'll link it below. So I'm just gonna eat that. I'm gonna have this big salad. I'm gonna have the fish, and I'm gonna have a cup of hot tea because my energy is starting to go. So I'm gonna do all of that, and then when Asher gets home here in a couple of hours or an hour and a half or so, we're gonna have kind of fake out banana splits, which I'm gonna have on this channel. I think you're gonna really like them. He loves them, and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, everyone, see you in a bit. Hi everybody, I am back with my, this is not a meal, this is my treat for today. You guys know I don't do treats every day, but I was testing these banana splits that Asher and I like. It's a coconut whipped cream banana. I make like a caramel sauce, and I grate over some homemade carob candy or carob chocolate sort of substitute on top, and I love this one. I will insert a photo for you. But this is so good. Here, I'll show you kind of what it looks like. Actually, I've already taken a bite of it, but I'll show you what it looks like. This is kind of a big bowl. This is one large banana, just sort of sliced, 3 kind of scoops of coconut whipped cream, just a drizzle of the, it's a date based, it's date and coconut milk and salt is how I make the caramel. So it's a raw. This is a totally vegan dessert. It's super delicious. Asher and I both really like it. So I'll give it a bite. I'm gonna enjoy this, and then we'll probably have dinner here in a few hours. So I will show you what that looks like when we get there. All right, everybody, see you in a bit. For my final meal, I had a large salmon salad. This was romaine lettuce with avocado, grilled salmon, and Italian dressing. This was it for the day. I didn't need to eat anything else, drank some more water. I hope that these, what I showed you today, gave you some inspiration, and we will just see it in the next video. Thanks, everybody.